Another day, another AI companion. Today in this video, I am going to introduce you to this Linfo.ai. Linfo.ai is your co-pilot for your life's insight, according to them, of course. But the true purpose of this tool is that it is a Chrome extension which you can install in your Chrome browser, and then you can transform any info into insights from anywhere, beginning with their extension, of course. Now, what you can do with it is quite interesting. Let me walk you through after installing what you can do with this Linfo. So once you install it, then you can ask Linfo anything about the content which you have just opened in your Chrome browser. So you can navigate the information, digital ocean of information with ease and efficiency with Linfo, and you can glean any insight you want from the content. So this Chrome extension really transforms the way you interact with content online. It basically empowers you to convert overwhelming data into structured, accessible insights. So all you need to do, as you can see in this step 2, you highlight the content on your web page, and then you can ask question about that content, and you can even ask it that just click on it, and then you can simply highlight the text in the right hand side, and it will take you to the actual text in the content. Similarly, you can pin the insights by just clicking on the pin icon from here, and maybe let me make it a bit bigger so that you would be able to see what I'm saying. So there you go. So you can pin it from here, and then from there you can gain more insights, or you can customize those collection. So as you navigate through content, you can effortlessly collect and organize insights. Their intelligent system streamlines your research, learning, and browsing into a structured compendium of knowledge. And then later on, you can engage with your saved insight through an easy to use interface. You can also organize, search, and retrieve your data with simple commands and queries by using this Linfo, and then you can generate reporting too. Also, they ensure that they value the privacy of data, so it is designed to ensure that your data remains your own. They don't collect your data. So you can collect insights with peace of mind, knowing your information is stored securely and treated with privacy and respect. Now, another good thing which I have found out about is that you can tailor your experience with customizable setting. So you can choose what to capture, how to organize it, and even personalize the insights format to suit your need. And I was also checking their roadmap, and that actually seems quite good. They will be offering tailored intelligence and then smart conversation. I know that there are a lot of other tools which are doing the same. But I think their future roadmap is quite promising if you compare it to the other products. For example, especially this tailored intelligence, where they will be unlocking a new dimension of personalized assistance with an AI chatbot dedicated to each of your collection folders, which is a new thing. And then you can also engage in dynamic conversation with your personal AI to explore insights. And last, another coming up feature is that Linfo would understand the context of your folders, providing highly relevant and precise support if you are conversing with an expert in each specific domain. So let's see. I think quite valuable for researchers, students, professionals, and also the curious minds, because you can build your own personal knowledge base on your topic of interest, and it is serving as an assistant. So pretty good tool. I'm looking forward that how it evolves. Try it out, let me know how it goes, or whether you like it or not. If you know of any other similar AI assistant, and there are heaps of them, I know, let me know and I'll be happy to review it. Thanks for watching, and if you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you very much.